Hello, and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. We got a lot of news for you today, but if you want to join me on my live stream, which is the recap of, check out the link in my description below and also in the comment section. It's pinned in the comments section. And also, if you want crypto daily updates, we do one video each day on that channel to summarize all the great crypto news for that day. That link is also in the description in the comments. Check out those links. But let's actually begin with the big news today. Bitcoin halving seems to be winning out against the fear of the virus, but that may not completely be true because I don't think we've seen the worst of it yet. We know that a lot of people are actually being unemployed because of the lockdowns that are actually happening across the country. So unemployment numbers for this month will probably be pretty bad, and they'll be bad for April. And the president the president actually projects that it's not going to slow down anytime soon. So I do think that people are going to sell out some assets later this month. The Bitcoin halving will be working against that, so we'll have to see how that works. So there is still a chance of a drop, but if I were you, I would actually sort of DCA it if I had some money. I wouldn't wait for a drop with all my money, but I wouldn't buy in all at the same time. I would just DCA it in every time there is a big price movement. I think that is the best way to go. But for right now, at least, it seems like the optimism from the Bitcoin halving is winning out against the fear so far. The second thing I want to mention is that Binance actually gave details on their acquisition. Basically, CZ said the $400 million acquisition was essentially buying a cash positive asset. I actually don't think that's true. I think he knows, and experts agree with me, that he actually bought it for a marketing thing. CMC is by far the biggest site for cryptocurrency online. It actually, in terms of Alexa rank, it's lower than both Coinbase and Binance. It gets a lot more traffic than any exchange, and that's a lot of eyeballs looking at Binance's product. So I think it's a very smart buy for Binance. Some people think $400 is too much. Other people think $400 million is not enough. I think it's just about right because CMC's monetization model is really not that good. I think it's only advertisement and affiliate links, and there's no way they make anything close to $400 million. So I think that's about the right price. We don't really know if that's the price or not. That is just the price being thrown around. That was the first offered price. There might have been more negotiations on the way. In fact, there probably was. So CZ says they just bought a cash positive asset, and it will be actually separate. It actually will be separate and held in a separate holding company. To avoid conflicts of interest. But we know that's kind of BS. We know that since Binance owns it, they're going to use it to promote Binance. So I don't believe that for 2 seconds. The third thing is, and the last thing is, it's very important. Factom is actually getting liquidated. So if you have any Factom, you want to get out of it right now because on March 31st, 2 days ago, it didn't have enough cash, and investors weren't willing to give it more cash. It had trouble paying back its loans, and it's getting liquidated. So if you have any Factom, you actually need to get it out because that would be really bad if it got liquidated and you were still in. No, you don't want that. It only actually went down about 10% today, so there's still a chance that you can actually get a lot of money out. And I don't think everyone knows it's actually getting liquidated, even some of the coin investors, because this news, obviously I haven't heard it and it doesn't appear on any crypto news site, but I've just gotten word from one of my viewers that Factom is getting liquidated, FCT, and you want to get out of that coin right now. So that is a news update for today. Hope it helped you. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.